Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around with this 2007 Mazda SPEED3. Unlike just the standard Mazda 3, this is the Mazda SPEED3. I'm going to do the outside, the inside, pop the hood, let you see the engine, turn it over, let you see the dash, and then we'll go back to the engine to let you hear how it sounds. But as you can see, there's no major dents, no major dings, no monstrous scratches, nothing like that on this vehicle. Super clean. Has a little bit of wear, but it's a 2007. It's to be expected to a degree, but it is in fantastic shape for the year. It truly is. Get to the tires here in just a moment. Trying to get all these in here, and this in here the best I can so you can see without a doubt. Dang near brand new. Let's get the tire size in here for you. There we go. We'll get some inside features here in just a moment. Roof rack, fog lights. Alright, let's get some inside features. Power windows and locks with the Bose stereo system. Some features here. Manual transmission, steering wheel controls. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo system touchscreen. I'll show you that here in a moment. Six-speed. And then it does have the aux in there. Let's get condition of the seats. It's a mixture of leather and cloth. Again, a little bit of wear, but it's to be expected on a 10, 11-year-old car. Alright. Let's get the rear here for you. Condition. Trunk. Floor mats. And the Mazda SPEED3 floor mats. Alright, let's pop the hood on this bad boy. Let's see what's underneath. Sorry about that. Looks like I'm literally going to have to use my head here. I apologize. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined. But I like to get all this in here simply because customers have probably looked at a few and they know exactly what they're looking for. So I like to get it in there for them. All of our vehicles, they do get shopped and diagnosed. So if anything needs to be done to them, we'll do it. Fluid change included if need be. Alright, let's turn it over for you. Mileage. As you can see, there's no lights. that. We'll go to the engine here. As you can see, it's humming along beautifully. Now, hopefully this is helping with any decision that you may have. This is on YouTube, so you can speed it up and slow it down, zoom it in, pause it, all of those things if something there strikes your interest. If there's anything that I may have missed, as far as you needed me to come out and redo photos, redo the walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Hopefully this does help with any decision you have. Thank you for your time and consideration. Hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your afternoon. Bye.